Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to find the temporary folder and how to find the files that your PC creates when you are working on it, and how to delete them. So we start. First, one method is we open the command prompt from OK. Now you are at the directory C users and the user that you have. So you start with this command. Just type start and then temp. Press enter, and this is your local folder of the temporary files. So these are the files that your computer creates, so you don't need them, and you just select all and delete. Maybe some of them will not be deleted because some of the softwares used them, and you just try and then you can click cancel. Another method is to go to my PC local user is application data, but for this you have to activate your option folder. Just select these hidden items here. You can check this application data. You go to local and then you find the temp folder that is here. Is just the same folder. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and share if you want. Thank you very much. Bye.